Hi friends! Today we are going to draw and paint a colorful tropical fish. Let's draw together. We start with big round eyes. Did you know that fish don't blink? Their eyes stay clear and comfortable underwater. Some fish even can look in two different directions at the same time. Next, we draw the mouth. Some fish, like the kissing gourmet, use their mouths for kissing. This is fun! Now we draw a streamlined body. Our fish is like a living submarine. Let's draw a beautiful wavy tail and wide fins. The tail and fins are like superpowers for a fish. They help it swim, turn, and explore its underwater home. Let's add cool stripes on the side of the fish. These stripes are like secret family codes for fish. It's their way of recognizing each other. Stripes come in all shapes and colors. Each fish can have its own unique stripe style, like a fingerprint. Now let's draw lines on the tail and fins, just like a real fish. Let's add some more details to make our fish look fantastic. Our fish looks just great. Now let's paint it. Brown, blue, yellow, tropical fish are known for their bright and vibrant colors. Orange, these colors help the fish communicate with each other and can also be a way for them to hide or scare away predators. Blue, purple, So, next time you see a tropical fish with stripes, you can imagine it as a swimming artist, using its own special brush strokes to paint a colorful underwater masterpiece. Let's add some shadows. And now it's time for magic. Thanks for watching and see you soon.